now go outside into a different universe. Here we go. The date is January 17th, 2K22. As we see the snow, we are now in the midst of a blizzard. The most snow we've seen in some time. We now looked on Rogers Road, looking eastbound. Visibility is maybe 100 feet, if that. Old Weston Road. And this faces east. I don't remember last time we received such snow. A few years at least. However, it's expected to taper off by the end of today, with an expected accumulation of 25 to 30 centimeters, upwards of 35 centimeters, and up to 50 centimeters on the outlying areas. Oops. Oops.